first of all, you can move to the odoo.com, and there is an Odoo online free trial for the 50 days. So you will be getting the enterprise version there. Like we all know that Odoo Community and Odoo Enterprise have different kind of variations.
But in case of the Enterprise Edition, we have much more advanced features like the bank reconciliation, which is main part of accounting, and we have more reporting under the Enterprise Edition.
Inside the Odoo Community version, if you are moving with that, you need some kind of customization, right? So you need a developer or an assistant for that. So you should pay for them. So which is actually the community version is not for free. Like if you are using that, it's for free. But if you want a customization
if someone would love to learn Odoo, you can just go ahead with the documentations, Cybrosys blogs, videos for free. I mean, all these are completely free. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Techtonic by Cybrosys. I'm your host Jerina, and this is your host Aisha. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to use Odoo for free. Whether you are a freelancer, a student, or business owners, this video is for you. Because many people think that Odoo is only available as a paid version. But the truth is that you can also Odoo for free. So before moving on to the main topic, we need to know what is Odoo, because so far we have been talking about Odoo, but there are new users to the episode and they need to know what is Odoo, right? So could you please explain about what is Odoo and how can we use Odoo?
Okay, basically Odoo is an ERP software, so that means an enterprise resource planning. So you all know, if you are starting any business, you all know that we have different kind of segments inside a business, like sales, purchase, inventory, HR, and everything, right? So you can simply, integrate all those things inside a single software, which is Odoo. Okay. So Odoo is also an open source software.
Then we can say that Odoo is a all-in-one business solution.
Definitely.
And two versions of Odoo is available, which is the Enterprise Edition as well as the Community Edition. The Enterprise Edition is not free, and which is a paid one, and that will be using by the business professionals. And on the other hand, the Community Edition is completely for free. This can be used by the freelancers, students, or someone who just want to explore what is Odoo. And you can just get Odoo, you can use Odoo with three ways. So what are the
different ways?
Yes.
Right.
So what are the three different ways?
So first of all, you can move to the odoo.com, and there is an Odoo online free trial for the 50 days. So you will be getting the enterprise version there. Like we all know that Odoo Community and Odoo Enterprise have different kind of variations. Like in Odoo Community, we have the basic modules, and the limited features as well as. But in Enterprise version, we have the modern features and advanced features as well as. So here you can simply explore all the advanced features inside the Enterprise version through the Odoo online free trial for the 50 days. Okay.
And the 15 days will be only available if you're just going with multiple apps. If you only want a single app from Odoo, then you can just get app free for lifetime. Okay. And the other one is just going with the Odoo SH. So Odoo SH is not completely free because it has got many limitations using as free, but the developers who would like to go with the testing with a few features can just explore the Odoo SH. Apart from that, we have one more way, which is
Community Edition. Like it's forever free. You can simply download from that inside the odoo.com or a GitHub, and you can install locally or on cloud version.
Okay. So what are the free modules available in Odoo?
Yeah, it's the basic modules like CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, project, POS, and as well as the websites, and the basics of the accounting module. So you can't find the advanced features inside the community version.
Okay, so when we just go with the Enterprise Edition, we have advanced features like VoIP, the studio module, which is just used for drag and drop creation of the fields or any other functionality. It can be automation.
You can simply customize that.
Yes, but these features will not be available in the community. version. And apart from this, we can go with basic features of accounting, like creation of the invoices, creation of customers, or a bill. Small features are are only available, as well as a few reports are available under the accounting. But in case of the enterprise edition, we have much more advanced features like the bank reconciliation, which is main part of accounting, and we have more reporting under the enterprise edition. And
so if you want advanced features, just go with the enterprise version, right?
So this will be useful for, as we discussed, that the community edition will be useful for the freelancers, the students, or someone who just want to explore Odoo. Yeah, exactly. And if you just want to know what is Odoo, like you can also just go with demo.odoo. There you can just get the enterprise edition just for testing the functionalities. Or you can also just go with Rainbow. There you will be getting different instance which is available in different versions. So you can also just try out that if you only want to know what is the functionality. So if you would like to be a functional consultant, you can just use all these ways to use Odoo for a free.
Yeah. And we have 1,000 plus free community built app in Odoo App Store as well as. Okay. And we have add-ons cover extra features like dashboards, WhatsApp chat, and custom reports, etc. And now we are moving to how to install Odoo for free.
Okay. You can simply download it from the Odoo GitHub. So as you just move on to the GitHub, as we have stepped into Odoo 19, the default version that you can download is Odoo 19. But if you want to change the version, you can also change that, and you can just get it locally. We can use the Odoo both in the Windows as well as in Linux, and we have published the videos of the installation of Odoo. Odoo 19 and previous versions in Windows as well as in Ubuntu. So you can refer those videos. We have published both in the server side as well as using the PyCharm. So go ahead with these installation and explore Odoo features if you want to be a developer or a functional consultant. Now, you have anything to add on?
No. And let's move to the next topic, which are what are the limitations of free version of Odoo? We know that we have already talked about that, right?
Yeah.
Inside the Odoo community version, if you are moving with that, you need some kind of customization, right? So you need a developer or an assistant for that. So you should pay for them. So which is actually the community version is not for free. Like if you are using that, it's for free. But if you want the customization,
you can just try out the features and functionalities. But if you want to make further, if you want to add more functionalities into it, as of your business purpose, obviously you need to make payment.
And some advanced features, like you can only see some kind of modern and advanced features inside the enterprise version, not in the community version.
And if you want to add more features into the Odoo community, we Cybrosys have just published many free apps in our app store. So if you want to just get the WhatsApp integration or any features like that, you can just get the free app from the Odoo app store and integrate with the community. So you can just try out the free versions of Odoo there. You don't need to make further payments if you only want to just go with the testing.
Okay. And the main thing is actually you won't get any kind of official support from the Odoo. Like you don't get, like if you are using the community version and suddenly if they have any kind of bugs, you can't find the help from the Odoo. So that's the next thing. And you need to update everything by yourself and back up that thing, everything by yourself. Okay.
Yeah. So if someone would love to learn Odoo, you can just go ahead with the documentations, Cybrosys blogs, videos for free. All these are completely free, and you can also just join the forums. There you will be getting the live examples or the problems solved by great developers as well as the functional consultant with real-time errors or bugs or any other functional issues. And you can also just try out learning the customization of the community edition. And apart from that, if you want to be a developer, you need to know the basics of Python, XML, then OWL framework, And do try that if you just need to step into a developer, or if you want to just go with the customization of Odoo Community.
Okay, now let's talk about who should use it.
Okay, so we have already discussed that the person, like the freelancers, the students, or the business owners who would like to explore Odoo can use this community edition. So start your journey with Odoo Community and explore the features. So it's time to wrap the episode. That's all in today's episode. So we invite your feedbacks and please suggest topics for the upcoming episodes. Bye from Techtonic.